The Doux never lets me down. So welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, I am back, and I am back with another hair video. It is time to style the hair, and in today's video I'm bringing you a wash and go combo. Well, not even a combo, just a wash and go review of some new products that just hit the streets, and I'm bringing it to you live. Okay, I'm bringing it to you right here. I'm testing it out and I'm trying it out for you all to make sure it's all good. Today's product that I'm going to be trying out is the Block Party by the Doux. Block Party by the Doux. This is a new product line from the Doux. And baby, the Doux always comes through for me, okay? I've done a couple of reviews on some of the Doux products. If you haven't watched that, I'll be sure to add those in the description below so you can check this out. So, you know, me and the Doux, we got a good thing going on. So the Doux never does me wrong. So we're gonna check out this new product, okay? This new product is claiming to be anti-humidity, okay? It's a firm hold, frizz-free styling gel, and we're gonna try this out because this is the dead of summer, and what a better time to try out if it's really anti-humidity than now. Okay, so we're going in with the Block Party anti-humidity defining gel. But first, before we get started, let's talk about what it claims. Okay, it says, what is the Doux? This gel is supposed to block humidity and resist frizz while defining curls and reducing shrinkage. A firm hold formula enhances natural curl pattern and high shine and improve drying time. Okay, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it's really gonna show up and show out. So let's just get it started. Now, this product, they recommend for best results is that you apply it to clean, wet hair that's free of oil, leave-in conditioner. Apply in small sections and work through with your fingers. They encourage like curl clumping. Okay, so let's just dive in. Let's go. So my hair has already been clean and detangled. I actually washed my hair a couple of days ago, and I've just been sporting this. Okay, love me as I am or don't. But my hair has been washed. It's been like this for a couple of days. The only thing is that when I washed my hair, I did add a little bit of leave-in in my hair, but what I just did is I kind of just did a water rinse to help rinse out some of that leave-in, because the product does recommend that you not have any type of product on the hair. So I'm hoping that doesn't disturb how the product works in my hair. So my hair is already in sections. It's detangled. My hair is wet. Like I said, I just re-wet my hair, so it's really damp. And I have my TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit water mist bottle just to re-wet my hair to make sure it is fully saturated. So alright, so I'm gonna, you know, like I always do with my wash and goes, I'm apply the product in small sections and using my TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit detangling brush, making sure my hair is fully detangled. This is what the gel looks like. I hope y'all can see it. So this is the whoa. So this is what it looks like. It's giving very like slime. You know the slime back in the day the kids play with? That's what it feels like, y'all. The smell, it really doesn't have a smell. It gives more medicinal. Doesn't have a fruity scent. It's not overly scented, but it just smells like, you know how you open a pack of like fresh vitamins? That's what it smells like to me. But nonetheless, I'm gonna start with this much if you know me, you've been around here, you follow me, you know I'm a little heavy-handed, okay? So we always gonna go in with enough product, all right? So first impressions, it is sticky. It is giving very sticky. It almost feels like a custard. Adding a lot, not a lot, but a generous amount of the gel to my roots because my roots tend to puff up. So this is first application. My curls are clumping real good. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep it real simple, okay? Same process, detangling, making sure my hair is fully saturated here. Adding that Block Party and just working it through the fingers. Okay, all right, y'all. And this method never changes with me. When I do my wash and go, I like to smooth the product all the way down the strands of my hair to making sure that every strand is covered and separating as I go so they can dry separated a little bit. Clump them and then separate them. This is what it's looking like. Adding some of that product to the roots. Okay guys, I just completed my first section and I'm hoping I didn't make a boo-boo by not cleansing my hair. Because like I said, I washed my hair a couple of days ago, had a little bit of leave-in, I rinsed most of it out, but there's still some residue there. Hoping it doesn't impact the hair, right? But my curls are clumping. This is what it looks like. This is the definition. It is giving definition. So we'll see. And of course, in true wash and go fashion, I am definitely putting my hair weights on. If you've been following me for a while, you already know. When I do my wash and goes, I use the TPH hair weights to help elongate my hair so when it's drying, it doesn't shrink as much. I love these. They are worth it. They come, I think, like 12 in a pack. I'll link it down below if you're interested. But you just clamp them on the hair and you can already see it kind of helps the hair hang longer, so while it's drying, it'll dry in that position. Of course, I stretch my hair after wash and go, but this just kind of helps elongate my curls, you know, during the dry process. Just adding these in because I have to do the other side and the backs of my hair, and normally I just put the clips like on the backs of my hair. I don't worry about adding them like to the tops because you know the top is going to shrink up, but we do want a little bit of hang time in the back. So that's it. And that is what they look like once you put them on, and it hangs like that. So, and you just let the hair dry. So I'm going to do the other side and add the clips. Okay, so finish the first, well, the back sections of my hair. I got the weights in, and it is elongating my hair real good. Y'all, I don't know. I don't know if I made a boo-boo by not just cleansing my hair, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna finish this up, okay? Hoping for the best, okay? Lessons learned. If it don't come out, this is definitely lessons learned. So I'm gonna apply the rest of the gel to the rest of the sections of my hair, and I'll come back with the final like wet results. Okay, I'm back with the wet results, and this is what the curls are looking like. Okay. Like I said, I'm not sure. My hair is feeling really fluffy. So I don't know how much firm hold my hair is gonna have. Anyway, we gonna see. All right, I am sitting under the dryer. We do not air dry around here. I'm sitting under a hooded dryer, and then I'll come back with the final results, the look, and my final thoughts. Stay tuned. Okay, I know I said I was gonna come back with the full results, but I figured I'd show this process. But anyway, I sat under the dryer and I still have some wet spots in my hair, so I'm gonna go in with my diffuser, which I normally do when I sit under the dryer and my hair doesn't dry all the way. So I'm gonna take my diffuser and dry my roots. Alright guys, I am officially back and these are the final results. Now, I want to preface by saying that my hair is not 100% dry, and I think it's just going to take more time for my hair to dry, because if you've been following me and if you already know, I'm a little heavy-handed, so that could be the reason why my hair is not drying as fast as it possibly could. But I still wanted to show the results because it's about 98%, just having some damp spots in my scalp. Nonetheless, here we are. And what do I think? I think the Doux has done it again. I think the Doux has done it again. I mean, the Doux never lets me down. I'm gonna be honest, as a type 4 girl, if you want a hair type or a coarse texture type girly, the Doux never lets me down. So these are the curls, guys. Like, what do we think? Are we loving it or not? I'm loving it. Now, like I said before, the product recommends that you not put like a leave-in or oil or anything on the hair. And I did have some residue of a leave-in from my wash day that I had a few days ago. I don't know if that is going to impact the longevity of the hair or reduce the anti-humidity impact. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I don't know. But as far as today, she's good. The curls are popping. The definition is there. And this is first day hair. Normally, I would have to do a lot of shaping, a lot of stretching, all of the things for my hair. And I didn't do that today. And I'm loving like first day results. Now, I will say, I did have some flaking. I did have some flaking, okay? Again, I don't know if it's from the product or because I had some leave-in on my hair. I don't know. I can't say, you know, I plead the fifth on that. I do not know. And because of that, I don't know if as days go on with this hair that I'll start getting the snowfall. Oh God, I'm dreading that. Oh, I'm dreading that. But overall, what I recommend this product, absolutely yes. Based on first day hair, absolutely yes. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. Now, I'm gonna try to come back. I'm gonna try to put like a montage of the days or how many days I've worn this hair so we can get a real idea of how it performs in the summer in the humidity. But as of today, she's a winner. The results, they're good. The results are good. Okay, the Doux has done it again. All right, so, depending on how that goes throughout the week, I might have to try this product again without like any product on my hair. I don't know if that makes a difference. I mean, the directions said it, but we shall see. Alright guys, comment down below and let me know, have you seen the new Doux Block Party line, and are you willing to try it, or have you even tried the Block Party line? You know, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you're thinking. Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.